I'm already started on the steps because I know you guys wanted to get started as soon as possible. So I did prime with my Laura Mercier face primer, which is very simple to do. And yeah, I just rubbed that on all over, and I have my foundation on now. This is the L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear. It's amazing for your skin. Let me have this focus. Ooh, come on, girl. Come on, foundation. It literally is amazing, and I absolutely love it. It was heavily requested that I film a makeup tutorial from my hygiene routine video because you guys love the makeup in it, and it is like a really pretty gold lid with just simple crease. It's literally a 2-color look that you guys are loving. Like, I'm like, okay, I'm about to get this makeup tutorial up ASAP. I have not done one in a minute, but you guys, I'm on my serious grind. You're about to be seeing content on everything all the time, so just stay tuned. It's about to be lit. Turn on those upload notifications and subscribe if you are new to my channel for more beauty tips and amazing makeup looks, because I'm gonna keep them coming on all social platforms. So I'm going to blend out the color underneath my eyes. Let me know how everyone is doing though in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And any other makeup looks that you want to see, because I'm about to be doing a lot of different makeup looks on here on my Amazon Live. You guys have to get on there because those are it's an hour and it's on live. And I'm on there every single week. I'm posting every single week on YouTube moving forward. Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays. Okay, those are the days. And if I ever miss a day, it's still going to be at least 2. And the goal is, I'm not going to miss a day, but I'm saying, you know, sometimes things happen. When I do post to make up for it, it will still just be on the next day that I post. So it will be like Monday or Wednesday or Friday, you know. Those are the posting days. So come back then. Now I'm adding another layer of foundation because you guys are probably like, what is she doing now? I'm adding another layer of foundation. I'm gonna blend that out. And I know I'm talking a lot in this makeup tutorial, but it's like, ever since I got on Amazon Live, I just can't stop talking. Ay, I can't stop talking. Ay, I can't stop talking because I'll be on there for an hour a day. Ay, I can't stop talking. Yo, check out my Amazon Live though. The link is in the description. And I just put that underneath my eyes or anywhere that you're like, oh, I just want a little extra there. Because, you know, you want to just glam it up, make it look on 10. And then you're going to take your brush just to clean up this sides. I actually like this brush better than the brush I was using. So I was going to like, this is even better. It's like everything happens for a reason. This is what I'm talking about. But look at how smooth this foundation looks. So pretty. Link is below. I'm going to link all these products real easy to access below. It's going to be on Amazon. We love them. We love them. And you guys know that Amazon Prime is on time. So definitely sign up for your 30-day free trial. I will link that down below because if you don't have Prime right now, I don't know what you're doing. You're missing out on Amazon Prime Video because you're going to get all of these amazing Amazon originals and movies and TV shows. And it's just so much. I mean, why don't you have Prime? And then you're going to get your shipments super fast. Nobody else ships as fast as Amazon ever. Amazon Prime is on time. You cannot beat it. And you cannot beat it. You just cannot beat Amazon, period. So check out those links down below to get that 30-day free trial on Prime when you plan on recreating this tutorial. You might as well get Prime too. All right. I got this brand new Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless concealer that I'm loving, and it is a 24-hour concealer to match the 24-hour foundation. So to balance out the drugstore foundation, well, first of all, this is an incredible drugstore foundation. I literally love it. This concealer is also 24 hours, so you're getting a 24-hour liquid foundation and a 24-hour concealer. The high-end concealer could be all that you need. If you're like on a budget, but you're trying to get that high-end, I highly recommend this concealer. I've been using this concealer for like at least 2 years or something. At least longer than that. As soon as I found it, I never switched. Let's just put it that way. It's so good. So I'm putting it on all these areas, under my eyes, on my forehead, chin, side of face, what this does, you're probably like, what does that area do? What does this part? That is going to accentuate your contour so it looks really, really good, you know? It's just going to be really nice. So I'm about to blend that part out so you guys see what I mean, because it really makes my contour pop, and this is really going to help you. Be sure to subscribe for more beauty tips, though, and information. You're going to need this, okay? You're going to need to be up to date with these trends. You don't want to miss out. You do not want to be the only person missing out. No one wants to be left out, okay? So click subscribe. Definitely turn on the upload notifications. Do not miss these things. Do not miss the latest trends. Nobody wants to be left out. Join the Carla crew and have a fam. Just kidding. Have a crew. We're a crew. We're cool like that. We're just cool like that. You know, the Carla crew. Hashtag Carla crew in the comments. I see y'all. You are the best. The best. So I'm blending all this out on my chin, underneath my eyes. And all I do is pat, 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 pat. Blend, 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 blend. Pat, pat, pat. Blend, blend, blend. Just kidding. That's from TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Oh, no. I'm not even going to say that on YouTube. I'm not going to say no lyrics, bruh. I'm not getting copyright. But yeah, I just did a song from TikTok. And it goes like tap, 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 tap. Like, if you know what that song is from TikTok, just from the parody that I just did, then yeah, just follow me. YouTube be trying to copyright everything. Everything, yeah, everything. They be trying to copyright everything. It's driving me crazy. I can't take it no more. Can't get no monetization on these videos. Just tap, 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 tap. Oh, if I can't get no monetization on YouTube, I'm gonna make my own track then. Hey, I don't got time for this. My subscribers getting bored. They need music. Hey, quit playing with me. Get me some good non-copyright songs. We need some bangers. I'm about to do that for y'all, man. I need to be that. Man, if one of these rappers would just make some good non-copyright music, they'd be the first one to blow up because we don't got nothing, bruh. So I'm using the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. And pat, 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 tap, 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 tap. YouTube, be copyrighted. I'm blending out underneath my eyes. Put some on my chin. Everywhere I put the concealer. This is the most flying all over the place powder ever, but it's the best. It's literally Secret Brightening Powder. You want to know what a Secret Brightening Powder does? Do you want to really know? Yes. Okay. What it does is it secretly brightens. Oh, wow. Not a secret anymore. Y'all, it's late, literally. What am I doing? So I'm blending out all of the Secret Brightening Powder. You guys could just see exactly how I do it. Need I say nothing? Need I say more? So after that, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier. This is the Contour Powder Kit in medium to tan. And I take like one of these light colors here. And I just pat it on top of my translucent powder. This is one way of adding that layer. And it makes the translucent powder not only look better, but it lasts longer. It holds better. It looks better. I don't know why anyone would only use translucent powder. Do you see how much better that looks? This could be you all the time. Subscribe for all of these beauty tips. Yes. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram too, you guys. I'm posting content so regularly. I'm so excited to just like help you guys with all this stuff. Like, you guys are seriously the best audience ever. And I just don't want you guys to miss out on anything. And I don't want you to be that one person not on trend because you didn't follow me on Instagram. You don't want to miss out. You don't want to be left out. You want to be a part of something. And the Carla crew is the best place. It's the best. It's the best crew. Quit playing. I want to see the Carla crew representing in the comments. I always see y'all representing and y'all go hard. That's why I love you. So I'm going to put this on top of my forehead, chin. Okay, I'm about to contour my cheeks. Like, I feel like the longer you're on YouTube, the more you become like you don't, like, okay, Gary Vee said it best. So now I'm putting on blush. That's the next step. This is the Milani blush in 05. It's so pretty and affordable. And it's also vegan and cruelty free on Amazon. Just put some of that there. That there. That there. Put it like that there. Hey, 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 hey. Super cute. Super cute, super cute, super cute. Hey, super cute. Hey, hey, hey. It's gonna be the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. If we end in Beverly, I'm just trying to entertain you. Hey, I can't use no music. This is my music. It ain't copyrighted. I don't got time for it. Gotta get my money, auntie. Hey, gotta get my money right. Highlight the nose like that. You know what to do. Hey, gotta get some entertainment. Gotta have some music in the background, but I'm scared I'm gonna get copyrighted. Hey, okay, get demonetized. I will remove that song. That song ain't make my YouTube video. Quit playing with me. Who can relate, please? I know there's YouTubers out there. Anyways, let's go. Hey. So I'm gonna highlight underneath the brow bone. So even though I haven't put my eyebrows on yet, I still highlight underneath the brow bone. And I hope you guys are following along with this tutorial, because this is a tutorial. Even though we're having fun. I'm done singing. I'm done. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is highlight my cheekbones on top of the blush. I highlight at the highest point of the cheekbone. You want to highlight right on top of the blush. I like to call it a hamburger method. So you take it, the bottom is the contour, the meat is the blush. Just kidding, no meat. Vegan. And then the top is the highlight. Just kidding. It's not literally. It's whatever. But I'm saying. That part is, that's the order. Just stack it up like a sandwich. Let's put it that way. I know we got our vegans. Who's vegan? If you're vegan, you know you got to say something now. And be like, shout out to all my vegans. You already know. Let's go. Come on. So I'm going to fill in my brows. I always start by drawing a line at the bottom. And I do that on both sides. And then, I'm making it look easy. Then I put the line at the top. On both sides. Fill it in. And I love these products. Fill in the other brow. But the easiest way to make that easy fill like I just did, draw a line at the bottom, both sides, at the top, then fill in. Okay? Subscribe for those tips. Ain't nothing like it. I'm telling you. You don't want to miss this. You do not want to not be able to find this type of tips again. Click subscribe, turn on upload notifications to know exactly when I post. I be so big on making my brows even and symmetrical because Bethany Moda, back in her prime on YouTube when it like first was popping off, and she was that beauty guru. She was everywhere on there. She, one video she didn't have even eyebrows, and they were roasting her in the comments. I'm like, oh no. Ever since that day, I've been really on point with them. Okay. So here is the Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. I got this in my Lorac Pro 3 palette. The one I'm linking below is going to be the full size. So you're going to actually get a lot of product. And this has been lasting me a long time, this little bit. So when you get the full size, you're set. And I'll link a tutorial for my nails on Amazon Live if you guys are looking to do some at-home nails. So the exciting part, the shadow. Everyone wants to know about the shadow. Here's the palette I used. I'm going to take this brown color. Okay, the palette will be linked below. It is on Amazon. Look at how pretty the colors are. It is called like Mermaid Glitter Palette, but I'll have it directly linked below. Look at how pretty it is. I'm shaking. I love it. The colors I use aren't even the glittery ones. So imagine if we really got involved here with those glitter ones. But it is this, it came in this packaging. It's, yeah. It would be an awesome palette. Hello. Okay, so I'm going to take this brown. Okay, you guys, because I want to show you. This is the color we take from that palette. Okay, we're going to put in our crease with a big fluffy crease brush. I'll link some bomb brushes down below that I love from Becky. OMG. So I have an active coupon code. It actually ends tomorrow at the end of the day, the April 4th. And it's for 20% off of the bamboo brush set. Okay? And the coupon code is Yeah, the coupon code for those brushes is a link below. So you're going to get 20% off as well as the brushes. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to share that link with you below. Adding some layers, and just, it's so simple. Put that in your crease, add like 4 or 5 layers, however dark you want it to be. Of course, make it even on both sides. So then you're going to take your makeup brush, okay? And then you're going to take this color. This is the color I used. This one, this gold, pretty, So I'm just going to take this, and all I did was put it directly on my eyelid, you guys. That's it. Literally 2 colors, so simple. And that's how I did my eye look, you guys. For everyone who was wondering. You guys was like, girl, please, I need to know the eyeshadow palette. Carla, what is your makeup? I said, okay, y'all serious. I'm getting this out to you ASAP because y'all gonna have a problem. I'm like, I'm not about to do y'all like that. If you have a request, I'm trying to get that done ASAP. Like this, I don't have time for that. You guys don't have time for that. You want the video request. So if you want, like, yes, request. Just request. And I got you. You are missing out. Don't be that person. Don't miss out. Subscribe. Don't miss out. But seriously, I'm about to show you guys these lashes. They're so, so nice. For mascara, I'm using the Perversion mascara. I put mascara on first so I can easily reuse my lashes. This is a bold black mascara that really coats the lashes easily, no clumps, and you guys just saw that live. No edit. Links below. And it looks good by itself. It looks good with lashes, and it lasts forever. I've had to at least had this mascara for months. I mean months. I'll link the ones that I have on below so your lashes can look really good and you feel really pretty when you look in the mirror and you just get this like really happy feeling because your lashes are on point. You guys know how it is. You're like, you feel so cute, you know? So I'll link that below. It's all gonna be really easy to shop because it's gonna all be in the same place too. To line my lips with the MAC Cork Lip Liner, and mine is really small because I've used it so many times. I have to buy a new one, but you can buy it directly off Amazon. And the lip color is super affordable that I use, and it's so pretty, the pink, and it's like nude. Even my cousin bought it. She said she really likes it. It feels so good, and it looks even better. I'm about to put on the top. So pretty. Seriously, my favorite lip color right now, go to, if you guys have, because I haven't made a makeup tutorial in a minute, I have been using this. So pretty, this lip color. I'm literally so like, what? So from there, you could say it's done, but I go and add lip gloss because I'm like, ooh, I want my lips to pop, girl. So I really think what makes this eye look so good that you guys loved about it is the lip too. They just complement each other. So I would get, at least if you just are getting the eyes, you have to get the lips too. The Cork Lip Liner, the lipstick, and this gloss. This is such a pretty gloss. I'll just link it below. Not sure the name, but the packaging is so gorgeous. Look at that. It's so good. So good. The final results. I can do that. But yeah, I love this look. I like feel so cute. It makes you feel like that. So check out those links below. It will be super easy to shop, and subscribe for more beauty tips and easy to follow, amazing fun makeup tutorials that are gonna help you look and feel good, girl. Yeah, you guys, that's about it. And that is exactly how I did my makeup from that one video. Come on, girl. All right, you guys, though, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.